or film. However, what did I say? Film? Well, you know what we're going to shoot today, folks. This beautiful Yashica camera. Folks, this is my little pride and joy. This is the Yashica Electro 35 GTN. They made the GSN. In fact, the Electro 35 series from Yashica is so popular that in Japan and Hong Kong, they made over 8 million Electro 35 cameras. This is mine. This is a 1973 GTN. The T was for the black model, the GSN, the S, that was for the silver model. I prefer the black model only for aesthetics. So it is equipped with a 45mm